feet. Maureen and Adria have all your boo essentials you need. Are you part of the boo tradition? If not, get on board because it is so much fun for kids and adults, and we're going to show you today. So what I'm holding here is a free printable you can download from our blog. This gives you all the instructions on what your neighbors have to do. So essentially, you go hide a treat basket on your neighbor's porch in the middle of the night or when they're gone. They come home, they see it, you don't tell them who it's from, and then they hang this on their door. Or make one at Air Workshop, which is so much cuter, right?
We're taking it to the next level, guys. Taking it to the next level.
This just symbolizes that that house has already been booed. So just so it's fair to everybody, you look around your neighborhood, you see who has not gotten booed, and you boo them, and then they pass it on to other people. So easy and fun, and the kids look forward to it every year. We have some essentials today for adults as well as kids. So we're going to go through and show you all the different ideas. We went to Target and we made it so simple.
We had so much fun there. Target has a lot of great stuff, guys. You have to check it out. Between their dollar section, their food section, wine section, and actual Halloween section, we found tons of things.
Yep, mix and match. It does not have to all be in the Halloween section. So I'll go through really quick. I did the kid version and Adria, of course, did the adult version. So I always like to say every boo basket needs a trick, a treat, something salty, something sweet, and a craft to complete. Hello, you can't forget that way, right? So I'll go through my salty. I got Boo Chicka Pops. I love the orange. I'm just layering this in my basket. Something sweet was either these or sweet sizzling Izzy sparkle juice. You can take it out of here too if you want. It's kind of a trick because kids think it's pop, but it's really juice. So we'll stick that in our basket. And then our craft to complete, we have two things. I got these really adorable rubber stamps. Little kids love this. You kind of have to cater it to whoever you're getting it to. Then I have some little socks for a trick, and of course, some light up items. I tried these on at the store, so I may take those out.
Put them on, Maureen.
I was having fun with it, so let me just put them on for you guys.
Actually, really funny.
To demonstrate. All right, there we go. And my little glow band. Stick that bad boy in there, and you can even put this coming out of the side. How fun is that? And I love this because it's something that they can do with their mom or their dad. They can make cupcakes, so this is kind of a craft as well. Cute little silicone mold and cupcakes for them. And then, of course, if you want to give them an AR Workshop boo sign, you can, or you can just give them a free printable. But at your house, I think you all are not going to want paper on your door. You may want something a little higher end. So come make this an AR Workshop.
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what to do for adults because guess what? My kids are grown up, we don't boo kids anymore, but I do boo my friends because I love to do fun things for all my girlfriends. So I have a couple versions because not everyone likes the same thing, so I put together two. I'm going to stand up so I can grab it. So
Show me more, Adria.
All right. Really fun. Okay, so for all the coffee lovers out there, if you want pumpkin spice latte, guess what? We got a little PSL for you guys. I'm going to stick this in the basket. We have some salty sweet. So I picked out some cinnamon pretzels, which are lots of fun. I love coated pretzels. I found also caramel popcorn, but I think I'm gonna take this one, I'm gonna put it over on this side. Then I need over here, see we're mixing things around here. So the pumpkin spice wafers, these would go great with coffee. So we're gonna put that in here. I found this is actually this smells great. This is a pumpkin spice latte candle, and it looks like a little PSL, which is adorable. All of this stuff I found mostly in Target's dollar section. A few gray pumpkins to throw in here, and I also found a mug for the coffee. So these are great essentials. You can do a tea towel if you want, but I think I may put this one in this one, so I'm going to switch some things around here. So I'm going to put the coffee mug in here. This is for all those coffee lovers, any PSL lovers. And then, of course, your craft is going to come down and make a fun project down at ARW. Now, for my friends who love the bubbly, this container we decided to use, it's a punch bowl. It's an inexpensive one we found in the Halloween section. So I'm going to use this as my basket. And then you can give them a fun tea towel. Of course, we have to have a little Prosecco. I found an orange bottle, which I'm super excited about. I didn't even know they had orange ones. So I'll probably put a little twine on this and make it decorative, so I'll stick that in there. We found wine stirs or drink stirs. These are cute, the little beetles and spiders. Put those in. I'm gonna give this basket some caramel popcorn for my salty and sweet. Okay. I also found another pumpkin candle. It smells really good as well. Again, all of this stuff, guys, I'm finding in the dollar section was $1 to $3 basically for a lot of this stuff. I'm giving them also some pumpkins that match. And last but not least, I found these over in the dollar section in Target. I think they were $3 or $5. And so I picked up both, one that's glass and one that's silicone. And then you can choose which one you want to put in the basket. So that's for all of the adults that you want to do. Give a couple to any of your girlfriends, put 2 out, give them the boo sign, and then have them pass around to all your girlfriends. And I know they will probably realize it's from me when I drop it off because I'm the only one that does stuff like this, but I'm telling you guys, start it with your girlfriends. It's so much fun.
That's the vision. I love how you repurpose this too, how you repurpose the punch bowl.
Yes.
So they can use it. And these are good because like you can put the trick-or-treat candy in it for the trick-or-treaters and put it on your front porch.
I'm just saying, who wouldn't want these blue baskets?
Boo me? I'm gonna take that for myself.
Don't forget to download your free printable from our website and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yep, visit arworkshop.com to download that printable. And stick around, keep watching this video, you guys. There's some pretty funny outtakes from our shopping trip.
Just a little Monday fun today.
Something light up. Attracted to bright lights.
The orange matches your outfit.
They're ugly.
They're both ugly.
Trick or treat and little Bo Peep.
You have to dig, guys. You
Gotta dig for the best dollar socks.
Look at the crown of the socks.
Grow cats. These cats grow. You put them in water and they grow. Fun.
Big pull a muscle. Say something weird. Oh my god.